Morning, Eicher's class. Good morning. Today we finished dividing fractions. Can you divide fractions?
Yes.
Give me a one-word definition of inverse. Say again? Opposite, okay. Inverse operations, opposite, I love it. Give me a one-word definition of reciprocal. Upside down, which 2 words. Reciprocal and flip. Okay, cool. So inverse operations, opposite operations, reciprocal, flipping something, right? All right, so there is, when we are dividing fractions, there's something we need to remember to tell us how to solve them. On the count of 3, we're going to read number 3 together. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
When dividing fractions, multiply with the second and multiply.
So if you look at question number 5, are we dividing those 2 fractions?
Yes.
So 3/4 divided by 1/2. What's this say right here? We're going to rewrite it using that saying. When dividing fractions by LMI, flip the second and multiply. This is our second fraction, right? So we're going to rewrite it with 3/4 staying 3/4. 1/2 is flipped to 2/1. And instead of dividing, we are now multiplying. Do I need to get common denominators when multiplying fractions?
No.
So we multiply, we got an improper fraction. Is that acceptable?
No.
Is improper acceptable?
No.
So we converted it into a mixed number. Looks like we actually reduced first, right? Can I make 6 into a fraction? Just put my fraction bar in 1, right?
Yeah.
Then you're still flipping, yes? Okay. Mixed numbers. If we have mixed numbers, we're going to want to convert them to what first? We're going to want to convert them to improper fractions. And then we're still going to want to flip and multiply then after that, right?
Yeah.
So this is like a 1, 2, 3 level house, right?
Yeah.
There's 3 levels to this type of problem. Last one, I'm not going to talk much about this one, but it was a word problem. What did I do to help me figure out what the math problem would be? Draw a picture. Cool beans?